on Hyperliquid and those price levels, and now I wanted to do that contrasting price analysis review for Aster. And just kind of initially off the bat, I haven't really looked into this project before. Obviously, saw a lot of hype about it being, Hyperliquid killer, backed by CZ at Binance. But ever since that initial kind of impulse, we haven't really seen any sustained momentum on this coin and or this project for that matter. However, those of you that know me can probably see on this chart what I'm about to draw. And I can see it without even drawing these lines. It looks to me like we're seeing a little bit of an accumulation. So if I kind of draw this range low here to this range high, which is the impulse move down, and then the first kind of resistance zone as it pumps straight higher. You've got a little bit of a 3-tap situation going on now. It's not conventional. It looks kind of a little bit skew whiff, and you really have to question the kind of integrity of it. But if we say, okay, this might be a deviation below range lows, this was kind of the structure low there. So if we can get above that, we might be okay. There we go. Now, for me, this looks like a pretty good place to actually buy Aster. I'm not going to lie to you. So this is the 3-tap. It's an accumulation pattern. If we get it, like I said, it's not conventional. Usually we wouldn't quite go this low, but the market's been a bit brutal, so we take it with a pinch of salt. First drive, second drive, third drive, and deviation. Your confirmation for this 3-tap structure playing out is a break back above 1.09. So that would be your kind of less risky long. Here, if you're buying spot under $1, probably a pretty good place to do so. I've seen a little bit of FUD on the timeline, which also helps with kind of where things may bottom. But realistically, you're looking at 1.09, breaking back above 1.09 for any kind of continuation. So leverage positions, larger bets, that's where you'd take those. Here would be kind of smaller bets, and then you should size in heavier above 1.09. But this doesn't look too bad at all. In fact, I'm actually going to go and put a slight small long on this, just to see if we can break back above 109, and then it almost becomes risk free for me. And just take out your initials and kind of let the rest ride. So actually this looks pretty good, and this is the first time I'm looking at this chart after kind of the full breakdown that we had of crypto. So I actually really like this. Really like Aster at the moment at this level. I think we see a little bit of strength, and then with strength, obviously narratives come back into play. So we'll see it back on the timeline on Twitter, all of these things. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.